Hello guys. Today we will understand the difference between absolute expert and relative expert. Okay. What is meant by absolute expert and relative expert? Okay. Suppose I already we have opened some side websites. Okay. Now I'm going here. I'm copying and pasting. See, absolute expert means it will start from HTML. So HTML body, hmm, and inside elements. From here it will start absolute expert. Okay. What a relative expert means? See, relative expert means it will start from here. Okay. Means slash and double slash, we will use it. Okay. The best example is I will show you here. So this is my playwright project. This is my playwright project. So I need to pick this test case. Hmm, Pick this test case. See, copy path. See, copy path I'm using here. See, copy path means this is absolute path. And absolute path. Okay. So it is starting from C drive. Each and every folder it is navigating and it reaches to this file. So relative path means copy the same text, copy relative path. Sorry, I copied again absolute path, copy relative path. So it is under same folder, right? Same path, right? So it will be from test. It will be from test relative path. Relative path. How relative path looks, no? So test checkboxes, test checkboxes. See, from here it started because this is under this folder. The parent folder it will not pick. However, it is under this folder, right? It will pick automatically relative path when you pick the relative path. But absolute path means it is starting from the C drive. So the complete root folder. We call it as a root folder. Okay. So in our daily like in our programming style. So in our HTML code, no, normally see here you are seeing here, right? It starts from HTML. It starts from HTML body. So I'll create the same thing. HTML, HTML, and here there will be body. No, it's a rough HTML code. And after that, so there will be hmm, some form will be there. Under form, some input fields will be there. Input hmm, and attribute name will be there. Name equal to username, username field. Okay. This is the attribute name. This is the attribute name equal to username field. Okay. Hmm, Value equal to a type text. We can give type text. So type equal to text. Hmm, It ends here. Same way we can have input box, input password, and we can have button. Okay. Uh, Input password type text. Button, no. So this will be button. Uh, Name will be click. Okay. Type is button. So I'm providing a rough code. Okay. Now same thing. It ends here. Slash slash slash. See, from this HTML code, if you want to pick the absolute path as well as the relative path, no? So what I'll do, absolute path. Now pick the password field, absolute path. Okay. How you are going to pick the absolute path, password field? Absolute, absolute path for password field and password field. Okay. Now from here, start from HTML slash body slash form slash input input at the rate name equal to password. So like this, you will pick the H absolute path. Same relative path. Okay, relative path for password field. What it will be? See, I will use double slash. So for relative path, it will start from double slash. It will pick any of the, see, absolute path means it should start from the starting and it should end here. So it should in sequence. But if you put double slash now for relative path, so it will pick this element, but under this, it starts from here. Okay, it starts from here. Still it is same. See how we picked it here, no? It is a part of the root folder. Double slash when we use it is a part of root folder on the absolute path only, but it will pick, it will identify anywhere in the HTML. I hope this is very helpful guys for you. Thank you.